Good morning and a very warm welcome to the IC members and CBSE Virtual Inspection Committee to the virtual campus tour of Imperium Public School, Daulatpur. We, the staff, principal and management would like to extend a warm welcome to all the committee members. Imperium Public School is located in the foothills of the Himalayas in a serene and peaceful village of Daulatpur Golapar, Haldwani in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand. Imperium Public School was established in the year 2016. We are on a quest to provide the best of everything to students who do not come from privileged backgrounds. At Imperium Public School, we aspire to take a whole child approach to elementary education. Teachers, administrators, counselors and support staff who will work together to meet the intellectual, social and behavioral needs of each and every child we serve. The school is covered with a boundary wall on all four sides. Our vision: to provide all our students with the tools and strategies to become lifelong learners and succeed in the global environment. At Imperium Public School, we want to encourage students to dream because it's always important to envisage a success story and then implement the best possible tools and the ever so right way to win and succeed. Motto: our motto itself embodies the very attitude we want the kids from a school to have. Vincere somnium. In Latin, it translates to dream to win in English. Our mission: we at Imperium Public School look forward to provide a rigorous, hands-on and well-balanced educational experience, mindful of the different strengths of all our learners and preparing them well for the future. We want to be able to challenge each student to think critically and be able to express themselves freely, thus enabling them to develop into confident problem solvers. We look to provide a nurturing and respectful environment which would encourage self-discovery and collaboration. We want to provide a strong base of value education which stands well in the long run in the future to help each student in becoming a responsible human being. We want to encourage open communication between teachers and students to make the learning a two-way path. Our teachers still believe that knowledge is never complete, and they are open to learn new things every day from the children and the parents alike. At Imperium, the transport is provided by the school. All our buses are equipped with CCTV cameras and GPS units. Every vehicle has a female attendant when the children are picked from the school. Our school also has a basketball court which also works as a skating ring. The basketball team of Imperium Public School has participated in a lot of competitions across the district. Next we have our assembly point. Morning assemblies are conducted here, and all the national holidays and significant events are celebrated at this venue. Our visitors lobby is easily accessible without having to enter the academic block. The principal's office is right next to the visitors lobby so that parents can easily reach the principal. Our principal, Mrs. Radha Ethani. Right next to the principal's office is the manager's office. Both the principal and the manager's office are equipped with TV screens which always have the CCTV camera footage of the 32 cameras which are installed across the campus right on the screen at every moment. In the office block, we also have our accounts office. Again, it is very much accessible for all the parents who come into the visitors lobby. The complaint and suggestion box is also placed at the visitors lobby for all the parents to keep in there or give us their suggestions as and when they require to. And if they have any complaints, they can be addressed. The reception area also holds a first aid kit so that in any time of need, we have it handy. We enter the academic block and right at the beginning we have our staff room, which is strategically placed so that while even on breaks the teachers can keep an eye on the children. Our classrooms are well ventilated, large, spacious and airy so that students have a conducive environment for learning. The school is fitted with RO systems and water coolers so that the children have clean drinking water easily available. The curriculum at IPS is based on CBSE directives and NCERT courses. All aspects of academics are taken care of with due emphasis on interactive learning. Theory and practical are given due importance. The curriculum is designed to give students an in-depth mastery of the academic discipline and applied functional areas. The curriculum gives students a balance of theoretical and practical knowledge that facilitates a learning environment where students learn, analyze, apply, rather than merely know. All classrooms are fitted with CCTV cameras, which are projected onto the TV screens in the principal and manager's office. At Imperium, we are always striving at achieving a holistic development for each of our child. Imperium Public School offers a host of activities to our children to be able to be ever ready for the future, be it in the field of academics or otherwise. IPS encourages students to take up activities performed by students that fall outside the realm of normal curriculum of school and extracurricular activities. These activities instill confidence in students to face the real world hands-on. These activities are also help in developing public speaking skills and leadership skills in a student. At Imperium, with creative programs supported by proper environment, latest technology and ideal faculty, we wish to equip the students with the ability to innovate and create in the fields of art, music, debating, photography, dramatics, nukkad, craft, elocution, dance, and also social work. Sports are an essential part of the curriculum at IPS. We believe that sports teach us much more than that meets the eye. The sports room is equipped with all the equipment which will be required for the students on the ground. The room also houses a place for the PTIs to sit and plan for the future programs. The mathematics lab is a place where all the students can experiment and explore patterns and ideas. It is a place where they can find a collection of games, puzzles, and other teaching and learning material. The Maths Lab provides an opportunity for the students to discover mathematics through doing. History has been called race memory. The present has grown out of the past as the flower has developed from the seed. We cannot understand properly our present national customs, thoughts and ideals and our present instruction if we don't know how these things have come to be. Social Science Lab has been set up to broaden the mind, to enlarge the sympathies and quicken the imagination about the great deeds by our forefathers for the children. The 2 rooms have been designated for class 11 and 12. As soon as we get our accreditation, these rooms will be utilized. To build up a library is to create a life. It's never just a random collection of books. The library at IPS Golapar has great resources and is a knowledge center with a variety of easily accessible books. It consists of a wide range of reference books, magazines, journals, encyclopedias, and newspapers. The library is regularly updated to include the latest reading material that will help in making classroom teaching more effective. The schoolhouse is a fully equipped state-of-the-art computer lab for its students. The students have free access to the systems and are encouraged to exploit the system resources. And in this, highly experienced and talented computer teachers support them.